Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery for a Honda Pilot, and this one with the circular rounded keys here is used from 2005 to 2015. Again, this is for the Honda Pilot key that looks like this. First thing you want to do is flip this over, and you'll see at the base there's a small Phillips screw. If you have a precision screwdriver set like this, you can get from Amazon for just a few bucks. I'll link to that below the video here. You'll need to start and get that little tiny baby screw out first. And it can be difficult the first time you do it. This one's already been loose a little bit, so it's going to go pretty quick. Now once we've got that screw out, there's a notch in the lower left here. And if we put in our Phillips screwdriver right into that notch and twist, it'll create some leverage to be able to separate the base here. And once you have that separated, you can actually kind of pull it towards you and pull that open. Now, the internals of the key here, you can just pull out like so, and then we can set aside the outer case for the time being. Okay, so the key fob internals, if we look at it like this, again, there's going to be another notch. In this orientation, it's in the upper right. So take your small Phillips screwdriver again and just get it in that notch and twist, and that should allow you to pop open these two pieces and give us access to the internal battery here. So this little battery is a CR1616, which we can pop off like so, just getting underneath here. That'll pop out, and we have a CR1616 3-volt coin battery. And when you put a new one back in, just make sure the positive side with all the lettering is facing away from you, and just pop that back in. There's not really any overhangs or anything, so you can really just push that right back in. Put the two pieces back together. And then if you have a light on yours, you can kind of verify that it's working. So there it is. Okay, so it looks good. And go ahead and reassemble the outer case. Pop that back in there. Make sure the keys are coming through. Looks good. And then when you're reassembling this outer shell, there's a lip here at the top. If you kind of get that set first, it makes getting the base much easier. So kind of get that set first, and then you can pop in the base, put in a little baby screw, and that's it. So that's how you change the key battery in a Honda Pilot from 2005 to 2015.